Investing for the future: how to make a lot of money without investment. Introduction: why you should be investing. Are you investing or putting your money in a savings account? How to choose which investment suits your skills and needs. What is the best investment strategy for the long term? The best investment strategy for the long term is to be diversified with low-cost index mutual funds. You can make investments in order to meet your goals and objectives. However, this strategy may be difficult if you are not knowledgeable about personal finance or investing. You can find a financial advisor who will help you choose investments that will suit your needs and contribute. How to make a money without investment: complete guide for entrepreneurs. What is the secret to making a money without investment? Is it possible to make a profit with zero investment? Being an entrepreneur doesn't mean you have to have money. Here's how you can become one without any capital. How to make money without investment. 5 amazing strategies. Introduction: why you should think about making money without investing. Strategy 1: military loans. Strategy 2: job board. Strategy 3: Fiverr services. Strategy 4: Google ADSENSE program. Strategy 5: commissions from affiliates programs.